If you love Roblox and free spins, you're in for a treat today. In this video, I'll share all the working codes for Jujutsu Infinite. These codes will get you tons of free spins and exclusive rewards, so make sure to stick around until the end. Before we dive in, here's how you can enter my Robux giveaway. It's super simple. Like this video, comment your Roblox username below. Good luck to everyone participating. Now, let's get into the codes. To redeem codes in Jujutsu Infinite, open the Redeem Codes menu and type in the following. Code No.1. Release, _shutdown, Sarai. Use this code to get a huge head start with 200 spins. With this, you'll already have 200 spins in total. Code number 2. Mission, _shutdown. Redeem this for 50 more spins. Now, your total spins add up to 250. Code Ni3. Release this classic release code gives you another 200 spins, bringing your total to 450 spins. Code number 4. Merry, _Christmas. Celebrate the holidays with 100 free spins. This code boosts your total spins to an impressive 560. With these codes, you'll have up to 560 spins to use. Test your luck for legendary or special grade abilities in the game. Let me know in the comments what you get. That's all for today, folks. If any new codes come out, I'll update you right away. Don't forget to like this video, comment your Roblox username, and subscribe with notifications on to stay updated on all things Jujutsu Infinite. Good luck spinning, and I'll see you in the next video.